Alright, so today putting an outer door handle on my 2007 2500 HD Chevrolet. Came out from the store, went to open the door, that's all you got. Probably popped a rod loose inside of it or broke a plastic piece, one or the other. Anyway, I have a new handle, O'Reilly's. Appreciate it, Jet, thanks. But so now we've got to take the old one out, install the new one. So that's what we're doing. First, we got to pop all these these covers off that'll pop off without hurting yourself. Throw it in the floorboard so you don't lose it. This whole thing, there's a Torx here, and then there's this cover comes off. Don't want to break anything. Pop this one off.
Right back. I'm gonna go find Torx bit for that.
This I know does pop up, but I don't want to break it. You gotta be careful with it. Remember, it pops up from the back side and then slides in the front. Don't want to break it. I think we did. Well, that sucks. We can repair it, but not how you want it to go. This lock cover pops out.
Here's a 7.
I think 7 will work.
Give it a spin.
Yep. A 7mm with the extra long extension. Don't know that the
Little overkill.
extension this long is required, but hey, whatever we got that works.
It was handy. Is that kind of loose already?
I don't know if it's required.
Very cool. Yeah. It might need it. I can't get it off right. It's pretty tight there.
Here.
The washer spins, but nothing else. So there it is.
There it is. Keep going till you get it.
I got it. I just gotta pick it up. Ta-da! Don't lose all the
And we're just going to let it hang. Okay. You gotta be careful with the wires here for the light, and then all we're gonna do is go reach through there with a 10mm.
Yep, that was. It's on the purple ratchet straight ahead.
Okay, you'll have to have an extension to get in there. And the window has to be forget, up or down? It's down and it's not in the right, so we'll have to go up with it.
Raise that window back up.
Okay.
And I'll get you an extension for, where are we going? Oh, just right here?
That wasn't there a second ago. You could see it.
Oh, that was the window.
See it? Straight through there?
Yeah.
The window's in the way.
But now roll the window up. And now that's in the way. Okay.
So, we may have to take this stuff loose and get our hands in there. Yep. Yep.
Yeah, there we go. Should we unplug that? Sorry about that, folks. The camera battery went down. So it's a tight fit. He had to go up through the door panel with his hands and wrench.
How many did it screw right there? The magnet is under the
I think I saw it.
orange press.
Okay.
We're probably going to need that.
You're feeling you're going to drop that?
I'm anticipating it. First one was up inside this. I don't know if you can see with the lighting or lack of. And then the second one is in this side hole here. That I got off. Here's the second one.
There's that. And blue's a 10.
Again with the various
Giant long. But hey, it's working.
I suppose. Third one. Okay, yes, the handle rod came out.
Broken.
Oh, it's broken. There it is. There's
You've
why.
been yanking on your door too much.
Yeah, probably. All right, give me the new handle. Pop this off. You open that. And then we'll have to switch the lock mechanism over.
I don't know what's in there.
Okay. So we're going to switch the lock mechanism. Show you how this works. Should just be a slot. Yep. Probably a specialty tool for this, which I don't own.
Spreaders.
But So you pull the snap ring off with a pair of flat tip screwdrivers, and then the lock mechanism should slide out. And then there's a lock ring in the new one, and the new lock mechanism should just slide in and clasp. Just like that. And we're back in business. So yep, there we go. Now we're going to put it together in the truck. Return this one back to O'Reilly's and get a refund because it doesn't work yet. Just kidding. Cool. This, pop this off, and then the rod comes out.
With the old.
Yep. And then just the reverse. The rod goes in on the new one, and then this snaps over the rod like that, like so. Okay, and this goes up under there, and this one, the rod pops in for the lock, and then clasps on it. Have to persuade it with a screwdriver, like that. And then the 3 holes go in, and then the 3 nuts go on the back, and we're done. Haha, then the door panel, and then all of that stuff. Go with the easiest one first. Although I'm using a socket, I'm starting it by hand.
Here's that little. Oh, you're not ready for that
I
one
need
yet.
the 10mm.
What'd you do with it?
I handed it to you, but maybe I sat it right here.
Oh,
I
you
sat
you
it on the
set
hood.
it on the hood. That's not.
I lose stuff all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now the
Now
tricky one.
Now the fun one.
Maybe a wrench.
You have to do it by feel. You can't see it. And this is where the magnet may come into effect. No, I got it. I got it started. Okay, now